Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder, as usual, that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, October the 16th, 2022, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope you can join us today for the conversation. We're going to look at a whole bunch of different things, as we usually do, talk about our week, what we've been working on, plans for next week, update on the retreat. Yes, the retreat's coming up very, very soon. And some topical issues as well. Everything from, I guess, fall has set in. And does that mean COVID is back? What are you planning for Halloween? Are you going to get another booster? Are you going to get a flu shot because 'tis the time of the year? What about all the prices on things going up? How's that affecting you? And of course, talking about the latest where merchants can have a surcharge for using a credit card. At least that's legal here in this country. So lots of things to talk about, and I'm sure there's even more than that. So I hope you'll join us today and join in the conversation. And so that's today, Sunday, October the 16th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.